Yo, what's good? I'm Real Deal. Happy Friday. It's the day. What's it? Today's 5th of September. It's not even, it's just a regular day. Anyways, I saw a post that made me laugh this morning. It said, September, every day, it's 5 people's birthdays. And I was cracking up because when you stop and think about it, one of the reasons why September has such a high birthday rate, whatever you want to call it, is because it's 9 months from New Year's, 9 months, if you will, give or take, from Christmas. There you go. Alright, so that brings me to my next point. I didn't even do that on purpose. It was just coincidence because that's the way my brain works. But in today's video, I've decided that I want to take a crack at making an R&B beat because I miss R&B. I miss Boyz II Men. I miss Monica. I miss Casey and JoJo. I miss 112. I miss Usher. I miss Bobby Valentino. I miss everybody. I miss R&B. So today, I'm going to take a crack at making an R&B beat, you know? Let's see what we come up with. Now, here's the challenge. I'm not concerned that this is in the genre of music that I usually indulge in as far as making it goes. My concern is that I might go too far and I might overdo it trying to R&B the fuck out of this beat, which means I'm going to make it a little, I'm going to do a little too much, you know, because one thing I do love about Tevin Campbell, Color Me Bad, you know, I'm excited about this. I'm very excited. So let's get started. Okay, I think that's it. I need something to drink. Cheers. Excuse me. Stay hydrated, yo. This is me just grabbing the snippet. All I did was clip it. That's all I did. And this is what it sounds like. That's what I want. Okay. Honestly, it's not too bad. It's a pretty good starting point for something that I haven't done in a while and something I don't engage in at all. But anyways, this is where I'm gonna stop the video. Let me know if I should finish the beat. If you have an artist in mind I should send the beat to, let me know. I'd love to send it to them. This is giving me, what would you do if someone's at home crying all over me? Lloyd, you, she's fine too, but I want you. I remember growing up, we used to get into arguments because we used to be like, The song says she's 5'2". And then my cousins would be like, nah, the song says she's fine too. And we'd be like, nah. We looked up the lyrics and it turns out it is she's fine too. But every time I hear the song, it makes me laugh. So I always sing on purpose, she's 5'2". That's all I got for y'all for today. We'll be back next week with another Freestyle Friday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you haven't already, Suffocate is out right now. Go ahead and give it a listen. Go ahead and watch the making of. You know how I do. I love y'all for real. Happy weekend. Enjoy the rest of the week, y'all. Peace.